Hey guys, Angelique here, and in today's video I will be covering what is SEO and how exactly it works. So I was literally just about to start filming and my neighbors just started mowing their lawn. So I will get back to you after this lawn mowing. Now, if you're looking for ways to make money online, make sure you check out the free workshop we have going on at the moment where we're talking all things making money online. So if that's your cup of tea, make sure you check out the free workshop. So what is SEO? SEO, also known as search engine optimization, means the process of improving your website to increase your brand's visibility in search engines such as Google, Bing, Pinterest, and basically any search engine that's out there. I once heard this analogy in terms of SEO. Think of it as a librarian basically looking up a topic you want to research and finding a ton of books on that topic. Essentially, SEO has the same function as a librarian. You type into the search engine what exactly it is you're looking for, and in return, it will come up with a bunch of results that might match your topic of interest. Essentially, what search engines have is they have bots that crawl people's websites to find very specific keywords and terms that people are searching into Google. So the higher your SEO is optimized, the more likely people who are searching for a topic in your area of expertise or your industry will be likely to find it. Basically, optimizing SEO across any platform you're on, whether that's YouTube, whether that's your blog, whether that's your Pinterest. SEO is a practice of increasing the quality and the quantity of website traffic you're getting to your brand, all through organic search engine results or non-paid marketing. Now, there is so much more to SEO than just increasing your visibility. Knowing what people are searching for allows you to create content for people looking for your topic. Knowing the answers to exactly what people are searching allows you to create content that is so much more impactful because it allows people to find you based on your area of expertise, but on the other side, they are looking for a solution to some sort of problem they face. How does SEO work? So to cover the search engine basics, search engines do all of this through a process called crawling and indexing. And this means all content across the web, whether that's text, PDFs, imagery, videos, basically it indexes and crawls all of the content that exists out there. It then matches the search query through a process that we call ranking. And ranking essentially covers the number your search result comes up in search. Say, for example, you are looking for a dentist. You type into Google, dentist in Los Angeles. Search engines like Google will come up with queries that match that result, only showing dentists that are in Los Angeles. It wouldn't make sense for the search engine to return dentists in New York. That just makes no sense. So what SEO does is make sure that they are populating results that match the specific thing you are looking for. You can search living room inspiration where it populates imagery. You could search something like what is SEO and it will populate videos, blog posts, different forms of content to really populate exactly what you're looking for. And essentially, in terms of ranking, when people click through your link and then stay on your website, it also tells the search engines that that is something that people are looking for. So you want to make sure that if you are optimizing your website for very specific keywords, you are actually responding to that search query. Oftentimes when people type into search, they are looking for a very specific thing. And so you want to make sure your keywords match that search query, but also explain in depth what you have to offer if you're a business or information regarding a topic if you are a blogger. So why is SEO important? While things like paid advertising and Facebook ads and social media are ways to drive traffic to your website, the majority of online traffic is actually driven by organic search results. Essentially, organic search results appear more credible to searchers. Say, for example, one of your blog posts shows up on a search engine on page 1. More people are likely to trust that source of content based on its organic return compared to something that is constantly being promoted to them in paid advertisements. Making sure your website is optimized for search is so essential to make sure your information is being delivered to the exact users looking for it. It then allows search engines to index your content properly so that your target persona persona you are talking to finds your piece of content. So it's important whenever you're writing content to make sure you are optimizing for search. Depending on where you are creating the content or what platform you're writing on, the process of finding keywords may be different. So with YouTube, for example, something that I use all the time is vidIQ to inspect keywords that people are searching for, so then I can create videos to match what people are searching for. When it comes to creating blog posts, I like using Google Keyword Planner because it's free, and that is another way to also optimize your blog if you're writing a blog to find inspiration of what things people are searching for. So there are a number of keyword planners out there that you can use to make sure that your content is matching the things people are searching for. I hope this video helps, and it helps explain what exactly SEO or search engine optimization is and exactly how it works. Now again, I know I mentioned it in the beginning of this video, but if you are looking for fun, creative ways to make money online, make sure you check out the free workshop in my description to find out all of these fun, creative ways to make money online. Bye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh,